Good morning, ma'am. Myself Monica. I am from 11th Lotus. I would like to speak on the global warming at this occasion. Global warming is a continuously increasing environmental issues all over the world. There is no any single country responsible for its causes. All the countries worldwide are responsible for its ever increasing. Actually, global warming is a global increasing in the temperature of the earth because of our some daily activities. Our various activities heat up the earth, which ultimately rises in the temperature. Rises in temperature takes place greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, water vapor, nitrous oxide, methane, etc. trap heat and light from our surrounding and sun. Ultimately, rising temperature hurts the lives of human beings, animals and plants. There are many reasons for increasing global warming. However, some of the primary and main causes are considered because of the greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect is caused by greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbon, methane, nitrous oxide, etc. gases. Such greenhouse gases are generated by our daily activities and get collected into the atmosphere and form a cover around the burning earth. The absorbed heat remain in the lower circle of the biosphere and exchange the temperature level. According to the stats, it has been estimated that by 2050, the rises in a temperature of earth would be about 4 to 5 degrees Celsius. In last 5 countries, it has risen only 20th century. So the global warming is at peak and alarm us regular with its hard effect. It is affecting almost all the part of the world and causing sea level to rise, glacier to melt, many more which cover all the lowland iceland. It is destroying herb forest, killing algae, acid rain, etc. Acid rain is a very dangerous which might destroy anything in a touch. Global warming causes natural fire might wipe out all the forest. Using rise in the earth temperature affect agriculture, forest, marine life and life growth on the earth. It cannot solve by the effort of any one country. It need global effect of all countries to reduce its effects and completely ultimate it. Thank you for